to change your message settings on Pinterest. So if you want to change who can message you, control your messages, there is an easy way to do this on Pinterest. So we are first going to click on the bottom right hand corner where it is our image. This is going to lead us to our profile. From there, you're going to see our profile image again in the upper left hand corner. We are going to click on that. This will bring us to our account settings. From there, we are going to scroll down and we are going to scroll down where it says social permissions and activities. From there, you can see at the top, it says message settings. We can then click on that. So we can then control our message settings. We can have friends automatically inbox us, followers, or anybody following can be message requests or don't deliver. So you can play around with these settings and change them to whatever you want to be, and that is how you get there.